you don't have a serger, this is a great stitching foot to use. It's called an over edge stitching foot, and it finishes off the edges of fabric kind of in the same way that a serger does, but without having to buy a whole nother machine. So you can use it to edge or to stitch the edge of fabrics, but today we're going to use it to make a lettuce hem. So with this foot, the edge of the fabric comes to here, and you see the way that's built so that the fabric just kind of goes through there. And then it has this bar right here in the middle, and you have to pick an over edge stitch. So I'll put a picture of what that looks like. But what the needle does is it goes over the bar back and forth, and the thread is collected on here. And as the fabric is fed through, it comes off. Let's see if I can flip this over for you. See, there's a little hook at the end there. That's where the fabric comes off. So when you're done stitching, make sure to slip your fabric off, because otherwise it'll be stuck on there. Lay your fabric right side down. You're going to line the edge to the edge of the foot there, and stretch your fabric. Lay it down, slowly let it feed.